Hi, today we are going to make a paper model of a Citroen car. Welcome to my channel XSARA World. We will require a cutting mat, print out on A4 size paper, dried up or empty ballpoint pen, tweezer, PVA glue, scale, paper cutter and a scissor. I wanted a smaller car, so I have used an A5 size paper, and A5 size is half of A4 size. We will start by scoring all the fold lines. Scoring all the fold lines beforehand only is always advisable, because later when you will be folding all the fold lines, you just have to bend the papers and the paper will automatically fold along the score lines, fold lines, so you will get a neat and perfect fold lines. From here on, the video itself will give all the steps required to make this beautiful car. Moreover, it's difficult to put into words the steps that are required from here on. Unfortunately, I haven't designed this paper car. Many thanks to the original author. You can directly download the template of this beautiful paper car from the author's site. I'll give the link in the description box below. Congratulations! Our paper car of a Citroen car is ready for display. Hope this has inspired you to make one yourself. I'll give the link in the description box below from where you can directly download the template and make a beautiful car yourself. And as for always, thank you for watching with interest.